Morning and welcome students. I am your social science teacher Namisha. I hope you all are taking good care of yourself. So today we have just continue the chapter number 3 of geography. The name of the chapter is Motions of the Earth. So in the previous class beta we have read about the rotation. The earth rotates on its axis, take a full circle in a 24 hours. Okay, and you already draw this diagram also, and the rotation effects of the rotation. And now in today's class we have to read about the revolution. What is the meaning of revolution? While the earth is rotating on its own axis, it is also revolve around the sun. As you already know that कि all the planets take revolution of the sun. If we look around the earth, north pole from the space, we would not notice that the movement is anti-clockwise direction. It follows the path or called a orbit. Basically beta, what is that meaning of orbit? Orbit is a curved path taken by a planet or another object as it moves around the another planet, star, moon, etc. Okay, so the orbit is not a circular path, but it is oval or elliptical in shape. What is the elliptical shape? Elliptical shape beta, it's like a egg. आपने egg की shape देखी है ना? Egg, it's not in circle shape, it is in elliptical shape like this. This is the elliptical shape. Have you seen this in picture? Yes, this is the elliptical shape. So the orbit is not in circular but is in oval or an elliptical shape. Look at the diagram below. It is depict a elliptical path Earth takes around the sun. Have you seen this picture? Yes beta, there is a sun and this is the elliptical shape. Okay, now we are just reading the Earth's orbit. See this, the Earth's orbit is elliptical. The Earth orbit is elliptical. Average distance from the Earth from the Sun, that is a 150 million किलोमीटर. If we see this, हमारे Earth से Sun का distance that is a 150 million किलोमीटर. The Sun is not at a absolute in center. Have you seen this? Sun absolute center पे नहीं है. Okay, the closest distance is 146 million kilometer. The closest distance from the sun is, see this, सबसे पास वाला distance कितना है? 146 million kilometer. This position is called a perihelion. What is known as this position? Perihelion. And the furthest, यानी कि furthest means सबसे दूर वाला distance, that is a 151 million kilometer. It is called a aphelion. Beta, the closest distance from the sun, that is a perihelion. The furthest यानी कि सबसे दूर वाला distance, that is called a aphelion. Have you got my point, class? Yes. So it takes a nearly 365 days. How many days Earth take one revolution of the sun? Earth कितने दिन लेती है सन का रेवोल्यूशन एक राउंड लेने में? दैट इज़ अ 365 डेज. एंड बेसिकली बेटा अगर हम एक्यूरेट कहें तो इट टेक्स 365 डेज एंड 5 hours 48 minutes and 56 seconds. It means normally 365.5 days to complete a one revolution. रेवोल्यूशन. एंड रोटेशन कितने आवर्स में होता है? दैट इज इन 24 hours. एंड अर्थ टेक अ वन कंप्लीट रेवोल्यूशन, दैट इज इन 365 days 5 hours 48 minutes and 56 seconds. In a calendar there is a 365 days, as you know already. Every 4th year, which is called a leap year. And how many days in a leap year? Yes, tell me. Yes, 366 days in a leap year. And how can we see that कि 366 डेज होते हैं? So let's check it. Basically beta, have you seen this? 365 day and a half hour, 1/4 hour. 1/4 hour means 6 hours every year. And 6 multiplied by 4, it is a 24. 6 4s are 24. So 24 means 1 day. So after the 4 years, हर 4 साल बाद एक लीप ईयर होता है which is a 366 days, and in that days February has a 29 days. फरवरी में कितने डेज होते हैं 29, एंड नॉर्मल ईयर में कितने डेज होते हैं फरवरी में, दैट इज इन 28 डेज. यस. नाउ बेटा, basically you had studied earlier the axis of a earth is a vertical but is tilted. Have you seen this? See this picture. Our earth is a tilted at 66.5 degree. So had a earth axis has been vertical, the light from the sun that would be falling on the earth, that is depicted on the diagram below. See this diagram. Basically beta, our earth is a tilted, but the axis is tilted at 23.5 degree. See this, and 66.5 degree horizontal plane. Due to the tilt, the pattern of light falling on the earth is different. Compare the diagram. See this beta, from the both the poles having a sunlight in a slanting way. The middle part यानी equator has a sun rays directly, and there is a tropic of Cancer and the tropic of Capricorn, there is a slanting or a vertical rays. Okay, so do you notice this? Do you notice that frizz zone in a Arctic Circle and the North Pole getting a no light? At to complete frizz zone, it is in Antarctic Circle has a getting light. See this beta. See this, North Pole and a South Pole. Basically, while the Earth rotate in its axis form a day and night, it is most part of the Earth. It is known as the case of frizz zone. Why they are called the frizz zone? Because these both have a, हैव यू सीन दिस, नॉर्थ पोल के कुछ पार्ट में ही हमें सनलाइट दिख रही है और बहुत बहुत थोड़ी सी, बट व्हेन यू सी इन द साउदर्न पार्ट यानी कि साउदर्न पोल, दे आर गेटिंग अ सनलाइट. ओके, so frizz zone in the Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle, but this situation not remains throughout the year. ये समस्या पूरे ईयर नहीं रहती. Look at this diagrams. Firstly, you can see this diagram beta. In this picture, you can see how the sunlight would be covered a complete northern frizz zone when the earth at the one extreme and southern frizz zone when the earth is other extreme. See this beta. In this diagram, there is a north pole have a hotness, means it's not a complete frizz zone. In this beta, you can see this southern is not complete a frizz zone. यानी कि अगर हम इस वाले पार्ट में देखें तो इसमें पूरा नॉर्थ पोल अभी टोटली फ्रिज जोन में है एंड साउथ पोल फ्रिज जोन में नहीं है, बिकॉज सनलाइट यहाँ पर आ रही है. व्हेन आवर अर्थ इन दिस फॉर्म, सो इन दिस फॉर्म नॉर्थ पोल इज इन नॉट अ कंप्लीट इन एक्सट्रीम हॉट or take a getting a complete sunlight, but in the south pole there is a complete darkness or a frizz zone. So basically beta, this changes of position that are getting sunlight. Have you seen this diagram? And both the fringe zone are equally amount of sunlight. So basically beta, it is very important to read all the chapter very carefully. Little bit tricky, लेकिन जब आप इसे बार बार पढ़ेंगे, have you watched the video clearly, so it is very easy to understand this. If you have done, तो आप एक टॉप लेके यानी कि लट्टू लेकर भी उस टॉप को स्पिन करके देख सकते हैं कि कभी वो इस साइड में हो रहा है, कभी वो इस साइड में रोटेट हो रहा है. तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स.